Hello and welcome to the Lego City. Big changes have happened. Massive changes, in fact. The sea has been thrown over there with the wave of a shark coming out, and the penguin, and the artist place has been chucked over there. This is all so I can get a train track to go around the whole of my city, which is amazing. Managed to find train track to go all the way around. I got a really good bargain actually for me to manage to do all that with the Lego track. And I even got a set where you get these little flexi bits. So I managed to connect it all, and I've changed the layout up here completely, and to fit in the track really. And I could probably make it a bit longer. I was thinking at this end, if I move that water out of the way and that boat and a few things, I could probably go a bit further up that way. It's just what I'm trying to do is make sure I can get round the whole city at the moment while I'm building it. Because then once that end over there and just past the train is done, I don't really need to go over there. I can reach everything. But for now, I'm leaving it free so I can work on all of this area. But I've added my trees along here now. It's looking quite nice along this road. All trees all the way down it. Put a couple of lights there as well. I need to put a few more of those around. And put the bird, little duck or whatever you want. Is it a duck? Is it a swan maybe? In the pond in there. A little bit of something on the water. Hey, maybe that's what he's filming. He's a wildlife filmer, photographer, and he's filming the bird. Not sure why I put that ghost there. So cool, that ghost is. It's one of my favourite minifigures actually. This needs to move. I'll just drop that there just to put it somewhere, I think. I've got the Ferrari car on display. People are coming to have a look at it and taking photos of themselves with it. And the donut shop there for now, and the flower shop there. And I need to start working on the interiors of some of these shops. So I wanted that little Tudor shop or house. I'm not really sure what that is. It's more like a little Tudor house. I did have it as Gandalf's house. I'm not sure. Oh no, Gandalf is down there at the moment. He's all the way down there. There he is. Yeah, so I need to sort of work on that. I'm a bit funny about this. It's a bit too much block of grey now. So I might change this a bit. Because I was thinking I might be able to put another building in that gap there and take some of those tiles out. I don't really want it to be all tiled there. I'm starting to think maybe I should block this in so you can only escape this area over this way. Then that way's just blocked in. Thinking about that. So you can always walk out that way. But then there's no path behind. So I might need to move the road. I didn't think about that. Oh yeah, there is a bit of a path. The road's sort of right up there because I was putting that. I was thinking that's one square, so it may need to go half a square out for the road to move out a bit. I have to think about that. Because I do need to add this zebra crossing in down here, and that pushed the road out by this much. So that might work. I'm not sure yet. Might need to move that train track further up to fit it in. Yeah, good job you can take Lego to bits, isn't it, and start again. So yeah, down here, got this monstrous building that I built. I'm not sure about it now because I put it next to this cafe corner and it looks enormous next to it. I was thinking I was doing modular size, but I ended up doing huge. It's a 3-story building. It's going to have a clothes shop at the bottom, and then I can take it off actually to show you the next bit. Well, I think I can. Ooh. There we go. There we go. There we go with the top off. I started tiling the interior, and then there's some clothes rack there, and that's it. I haven't really done any more in the interior yet, but I'm going to put some like hat stands and clothes racks and things in there eventually. And the other side is the chip shop. If you've watched one of my videos before, you might remember a little chippy. Well, that's now moved into this area. Got the fridge and that there. I haven't put the fryers in yet though. That's what I need to do next. And but that's looking pretty good down at the base. And then the second floor, which I've just taken off, is going to be an apartment. And I've got the big sink and a big sideboard in there. I've just been putting random things in there. The cooker, the hat there, and I need to put some chairs and things in there. I haven't quite got that far to work on the interior a bit. Might, because I was leaving it as an open plan room, but then I've just realised I meant to build a staircase that went down this side, which I haven't done yet, or have a ladder or something so they can get in there. But yeah, I'm quite like it. It's a nice build. And the top layer is a also another apartment which has got, I take the top off. I need to make this modular at the top because I haven't quite yet. You can see inside there's a little table there, a couple of minifigures walking around and having a chat in their nice pad. It's pretty big. A lot of space in there. But yeah, it's something for me to work on while I'm working on the city. I feel like just working on a building, I'll work on this one. Might scale it down a bit. I think I might have done it too big. Because when it's next to that one, it looks huge. And that's a hotel. Mm. The little, the mini builds that's there, I've just left them there at the moment. But I'm going to build something different on that, I've decided. Because I'd like to have, just put this roof back on. Yeah, I'd like to have something that continues the scale. I could do with another modular building really, and then I could fit that in there, but I might be able to build something with my Lego that I've got, so we'll see. So I'm thinking of extending the track up there. I've kind of got that idea now. Yeah, so over here it's all a bit of a work in progress. The road, we need a corner piece there, the road to go round, and then the road's going to go all the way up there and then down to here, and then need to connect up to that, which I'm thinking I need to shift over a little bit to be able to have a path all the way along there as well. So I might need another curve track, but I have got a few straights, so I can definitely extend the track up a bit by maybe 2, or maybe a base plate over that way, and then that would probably help out quite a lot and increase my space in the middle, and then I can get more base plates in the middle bit. So that'll be pretty good, because I've got a few buildings over there to add in to the city. Not really sure what to do about the up house and Privet Drive really at the moment. I'm a bit just not sure about them. Starting to prefer building my own buildings rather than using pre-built ones. I don't know, some pre-built ones are really good, like all the modular lineup. Anyway, moving up to there, you can see I've started my little snowy scene, my Christmas scene, with a few buildings, not too many. It's going to be quite a small scene again, bigger than last year, but still smallish. But I'm quite happy. It's going to be a nice little Christmas party there. Quite happy with the small scene for now. And as I'm starting to move some more Lego into the city, I can start clearing all this up again. Need to find a place for the big wheel. Had to move it, so I have to work on that again. But yeah, the city's coming on, and the next stage as well is to get a track. I mean, not a track, get a motor for my train, or possibly get a train. But I've got the that one, that ghost train. It's pretty cool, and it just needs a motor carriage. And I could have that motorized, or I could have a different one. But yeah, so things are changing quite a lot, but this area I'm really liking. I really like the green area with the trees that goes along this area, so I'm happy with that. I just need to work on where the pavement is here. So obviously there's a bit of pavement there, and I could have that running along, and I've got that pavement coming out, which could come out along here and then go in, or oops, knock the tree down, or I could yeah, not sure. I think probably the path should be like that. I just think I've done this building too big. I think I'm going to have to relook at this building, and then I can steal some space back. These trees that I've made are a bit flimsy. They're always falling. Okay, the tree's back. Yeah, so then so that's what I'll probably do. Now I'm thinking about it, I'm going to extend the track up another base plate, and then increase the size of the central city. And then what I'll do is start building things dotted around. I can connect to the centre part. But it's looking pretty good so far anyway. Quite happy with what's going on. It's a work in progress, as always. Lego cities always are. You start small and they keep getting bigger. But anyway, thanks very much for watching this episode, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.